The last was a large English unit of weight, mass, volume, and number. It referred to standardized amounts of ship's lading and varied by commodity and over time. Name. The term derives from Old English laest, ultimately from a Proto-Germanic root reconstructed as *lath or *la. It is also parallel and probably influenced by the Middle Dutch and Middle Low German last, used in identical senses as a load, cargo, or standardized unit, weight. The size of weights and measures, one of the statutes of uncertain date from c. 1300, defined the wool last as 12 sacks worth, equivalent to 24 weighs, 336 London stone, or 4,200 merchants' pounds. The last subsequently varied with the different values given to the sack of wool. The flax and feather lasts were 1,700 avoirdupois pounds. The English Ordnance Board defined the gunpowder last as 24 barrels of 100 avoirdupois pounds each. The last was also used as a measure of rice in Dutch Formosa. It was composed of 20 piculs and amp, about equal to 1,200 kilogram quantity. The size of weights and measures describes the herring last is 10 long thousands at 12,000 fish. The Norman-French editions describe this as the red herring, or kipper last, and compose the herring last out of 10 short thousands of 12 long hundreds, still making 12,000 fish altogether. The leather last comprised 20 dicker of 10 skins each, or, sometimes, 12 dozen skins. Volume. The English last could also be understood as the volume occupied by the other lasts. In some sources, the last is equated with 640 gallons. The beer last was 12 barrels, the cod last and some herring lasts were also 12 barrels, and the pitch last was 12 or 14 barrels. The Polish last used for bulk trade in dry goods from the 16th to 19th century comprised 30 Polish bushels. In the early 19th century, this amounted to 3,840 liters but varied over time and location.